Namaste children, this is Mausmi, Maths faculty, Mangala Vidya Mandira. So, previous lesson we have learned the number till 50. Today we are going to learn number from 51 to 100. Okay, so I know you have already know till 100. So, now we will learn this one as well as number name also. Okay, now observe. So already we know how we will see. If you have so many things together, like you have so many things, so how we will count this? So how we will count this? It is one by one we will count, correct? Then how we will count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 we will take like that. We will make a So 10 we will take and we will make a bundle. So what is this? 1, 10. Okay. Next how many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 ones. So if I write how many, then the number will be 18. So similarly we will make the things in a bundle of 10. So if we make a bundle of 10, so how many 10 will be there? Tens will be there. That will give us the 10 digit. Okay, tens digit. Like if we have 3 bundle of 10. Okay. So if we have 3 bundle of 10, like this bundle we will have. Okay, like that 1, 2, 3. So now 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. So I can write 3 tens. Okay. So 3 tens. That means 3. Each bundle carries 10. So 3 tens. That is nothing but 30. So how many sticks are there? 36. So like that already till 50 you have to do that. So like that way we will count, and as well as we will write the number name also. We learn the number name also. Okay. Then we will see what comes after, what comes before. Now let's see our textbook. Okay. Yes. So here if you observe, see the boy, so many sugarcane sticks are there. Okay, so sugarcane sticks, what the boy had done, you have to count. So 1 2 3 4 like that. If you count, might have in between you can forget. Okay, so the best way he make that 10 10 10 group. So how many 10 group is there? We can make easily. So that here you observe, he make this is, that means this is 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. So it is 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. So extra ones how many? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 ones. So 40 plus 5, that is 45. So similarly you have to, you can make like this way, this all. See here how many? 3 tens. Okay, 3 tens and 4 ones. So here another one thing you should write, this tens is the, that means 3 4 are the digit. Okay, they are the digit, but 34 is the number. Okay, here 3 4 are the digit, 34 is the number. So here another one thing you will learn when you will go to next class, you will learn the place value. Okay, what we can say, it is called place value. So what is this place value? So if we observe this here, 3 tens. 3 tens means, so which place the digit 3 is present in the tens place. So what is the place value of this 3? It is 30. Okay. What is the place value of 4? It is 4. Another one thing you will learn, that is called face value. Okay. So the difference between face value and what we can see. So if I see your face, so this is you only. Okay, then if I see the digit 3, which place it is? It is in tens place. But what is its face value? Face value is 3 only. Okay. What is the face value? Face value is 3. But what is the place value? Place value is place value is 30. Face value is 3. Face means what we can see, that is the value. If I see 4, 4 means 4. So which place? That means one's place. So now we are talking only about the 2-digit number. So that means in 2-digit number, the place value we will learn tens and ones. Okay. Tens, what will be present? That will be, the place value will be 10. That means with 10, 30. Okay. Now if I see this number, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In how many tens are there? 4 tens. Okay. So how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 ones. So 4 tens. What is the place value of 4 in tens place value? So it will be 40. 40 plus 6, 46. So here what you learn in this page, you learn place value as well as face value. Okay, let's see. Yes, so what will we learn here? Place value. Okay, so in place value, if I write 63. Okay, so in 63, 6 and 3 are digits. Okay, then 63 itself is a number. Okay, so these are the numbers and these are the digits. Now we will see the place value. So place value means 6 is in tens place. 6 is in tens place. That means 6 tens. 6 tens is equal to 60. 3 is in ones place, means 3 ones. So it is 3 only. So place value of 3 is, in this number 3 is 3 and 6 is 30. What will be the face value? Face value for 6 also 6, 3 also 3. Okay, what number, what digit we will see, that is the face value of that number. Okay, now so any number when we will get 2-digit, 3-digit number, you can easily compare what is the place value. Okay, so in tens place number will have that 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So in tens value till 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So like that tens, and whatever number will be present, that place value will get like this way. Okay, now here you will observe, now you have to ask the 43 they have given. That means you have to draw the bundle. So first what you have to 4 tens. That means in tens place 4 and ones place 3. So one place how many? 1, 2, 3. Now in tens place 4 tens we have to draw. So one like this you will draw 10, then you will make a bundle. Okay. So this much we have. Like this you have to neatly draw here 4 tens and 6 ones, so it will be 46. Okay, similarly for this, each number already you have learned till 50, each number you can do neatly and draw. Okay, now from here you have the number 51, 52, so like that you will get above 50 numbers. Okay, so first one, how many is there? First one is as 1 2 3 4 5, so it is 5 tens 1, so it is 51. This one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 7 tens 3 ones, so 73. So like this way you should count how many here, 6 tens 4 ones, so the number is 64. Okay, like this way you have to do this all. You have to count as well as the tens, and so you will get the number till 100. Okay, so here 51, 52, 53. So what you have to, this is matchbox they have to, so like that 10 bundle here you have to draw, somewhere you have to draw, somewhere you have to write the numbers. So do you can't do, so these all how many will come here you can observe 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 means the tens place it will become 5, so like that 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will be 62. Okay, 51, 50, 53, like that you will get that number. Somewhere you have to draw and some place you have to just count and write 7, so here you have to draw 7 ones. Okay, so here till 70 neatly you should, where you have to draw, where you have to count, neatly you can do this one. Okay, so next 71 to 90. Okay, then 91 to 100. So somewhere you have to draw, somewhere you have to write only the number. So this is neatly will do in the textbook itself, and no need to send in the group. Okay, and now you should complete this box. So some places you can observe, see 51 to 60 they have written, after that so many gap it is given, so each gap, so it is very easy, you know, this is doing is very easy. So this 51, no, so this all will come one series, this all 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, so how it will be 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, like this. So you can observe here 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. After that 61, 62, so 51, 61, 52, 62, 53, 63, 54, 64, 55, 65, so like that way 51, 52, 50, 51, 61, 71, 52, 62, 72, so like that easily you can, if you just open your eyes little bit, neatly you can complete within a fraction of second. Okay, also you have to write the number name. Okay, so I know already, if you know till 1 to 20, so it is easy to write, like 70, 51, 52, so the 50 is common till 59, then again 60 will come, 60 to 60, 70, 69 common, so like this way neatly you have to complete till 100. Okay, 100. So neatly you will do. Now so nicely they have drawn here snake and ladder. I know everybody likes to do to play the snake and ladder, so I have given one activity like that. Use this 1 to 100 number and you have to make a activity. Okay, 1 minute. So here this is your home assignment. So what you will write in homework book, So in textbook unitly you will complete, but in homework book you will write the number and number name. 51 to 100 neatly you will write, and try to make good handwriting. Practice handwriting neatly. Okay, complete this. So 51 to 100 you will write number with number name. Here what is before and after? See here before. So 10 is given. Before what? After what? So before 10, 9. Before, after 10, 11. So like this way, so many is there. So you have to neatly, you should complete. After, before, the missing numbers. Okay. Next, here in between. So what will come in between? So 51, 52, 53. So the middle number will be 52, 27, 28, 29. So like that way neatly you can complete. Now last I have given one activity. So make your own game with numbers 1 to 100. So here I have, it is given in your textbook, snake and ladder. We all like to play snake and ladder, correct? So other than snake and ladder or snake and ladder, whatever you know, to use this 1 to 100 number. Nowadays in holidays you have played so many games with your parents. So that all just you recall and make a, no need to make full chart. You just take quarter chart, 1/4 of the chart paper, and make a game and take the snap, means photo, and send to the group. Okay, so what you will send to the group? Home assignment and activity. No one should send the textbook portion to the group. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. It is very easy. Complete your task. Okay, thank you children, thank you very much.